Ladies and gentlemen, I am Raziaq. I welcome all to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the way, the methodology which are to be adopted to finish your divorce case easily and quickly. How to finish your divorce case quickly is the topic which is going to be discussed today. As I said already, divorce is not a solution. It is not an advisable thing. It is a most hated thing to Almighty Allah. So we should avoid divorce in all ways, and we should resolve the dispute amicably through an amicable way, and you can sort out all the difference of opinion, and you have to sort out all your difference of opinion and disputes through mutual negotiation, and you should set right your life, and you should not go to the divorce at any extent. That is the first thing I wanted to register this video. Supposing you decide to go for a divorce, the best thing which you have to follow is you have to complete your divorce process in an amicable manner, through an amicable settlement, in a peaceful way, in a quick manner. It is not worth in fighting jointly, and the best way is the filing of a divorce petition by mutual consent is the best way to finish the case in an immediate manner. So, if you file a divorce case as against your opponent, it will take time. It will go for years and years, and it will not have any end during the short period. If you file a divorce case, it will take 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years to reach its finality. So it is not advisable to fight for your divorce case for years and years. The best way is try to resolve your dispute and close the dispute in an amicable way through a settlement. So further thing, first of all, you should negotiate with your opponent. If you are a husband, you negotiate with your wife that we cannot live together, so let us put an end to our marriage life. Let us go for a divorce. Let us file a divorce for mutual consent. Like that, you have to discuss with your wife, or you have to discuss with your husband. Supposing she is able to accept the other parties accept your view or other opinion, and you can fix the terms. How much is the compensation you have to give? What will be the maintenance amount you have to give? But if you have a children, who is going to take custody? Whether the wife will take the permanent custody, or whether the husband has any visiting rights. Like that, you can discuss and decide all the terms and conditions for your divorce for mutual consent, and you can also decide which property is to be taken by her husband and which are the property has to be taken by wife. And you have what about the jewels and other things, and that what are the things you have to be given to the husband, what are the things you have to be given to the wife. Everything you can negotiate and mention in your divorce petition, and if you are able to reach an amicable solution through husband and wife, it is the best way. Supposing you do not have good terms, and if you are getting repeated fight, and if you are not having some cordial relationship, then you can request your relatives or friends to negotiate with each other. You can request your relative or friend, and they can go to the other sides parties, and they can discuss the thing, they can negotiate, and they can reach an amicable settlement. This is number 2 way. If you are If two things are not possible, you can engage a lawyer and you can ask your lawyer to negotiate the matter with the opponent lawyer to reach an amicable settlement. In US, United States, normally the people only engage and entrust the matter to an advocate. This advocate will speak with other side's advocate and they will negotiate with each other. They will discuss the matter and they will conduct several meetings and they will finalize the final matter and they will call for the parties and they will sign a settlement agreement and they will file it before the court. That is a process adopted in US, which is very good practice. Same type of thing is also available in India, in our Indian law. So that is called divorce by mutual consent. So supposing your lawyer and other lawyer negotiate with each other and they are able to draft a petition and they have to finalize the terms and conditions, including maintenance, properties, sharing, movable properties, and custody of the children, education for educational maintenance for the children, everything. If it is decided, that also you can incorporate in your divorce petition and you can file it in the court. If you are able to file that petition, the court, you have to attend only for 2 hearings. For one hearing, you have to file the petition. The other hearing, the judge will check the genuineness of your petition. You will check the genuineness of your petition and they will personally verify whether you have agreed for all the terms and conditions. Then immediately for the second hearing itself, the case will finish. So you can get the divorce and you can close the husband and wife dispute in 2 hearings. So that is the best way. So first attempt is through mutual negotiation through husband and wife. Second option is mutual discussion through relatives. If it is those two things not possible, mutual discussion, negotiation between advocates, that also you can follow. And file a petition, joint petition called divorce by mutual consent. Whether if you belong to Hindu or Christian or Muslim, for all people this type of petition and relief is available in law. Supposing your party did not agree for any mutual terms and conditions, they are not prepared to file, they come forward for give consent for divorce, then you will have to file a petition in the court of law. Once the petition is filed in the family court will refer the matter to mediation. The mediation is conducted by retired judges or psychologists or social workers. They will meet the parties, they will arrange for joint meeting of the parties, they will discuss the matter, they will mediate the matter, they will try to resolve the dispute between the parties and they will try to resolve the dispute and they will try level best to resolve the dispute and they will try their level best to resolve the dispute and to live a married life, to continue the married life. So you can also utilize that opportunity, the mediation opportunities. So mediation proceedings will be conducted for 3 or 4 or 5 times. So that also you can use it. So normally when the case is filed, the judge will automatically refer the matter to mediation. Every time the people are wrongly advised that go and tell the people, the mediating person, that we will not agree for joint living, we will not agree for, we will not unite, you will not go for amicable settlement. Like that, wrong advice is given. So most of the people are not properly utilizing the court's opportunity and they are not really utilizing the mediation opportunity provided by the family court proceedings. So once it is failed, the mediation effort is failed, then the mediation person will report the judge's court that they are not able to resolve the dispute, then they will refer the matter to the court for proceedings. During the court proceedings also, you have an option and request the court to refer the matter to Lok Adalat. So the Lok Adalat proceedings are conducted by retired judges or eminent senior advocates. They will also work out and they will also negotiate with the party. They will also explain the legal consequences and what will be the future. They will also explain the in and out consequences, plus or minus, positive, negative points, and they will try to tell the parties and they will try to make the parties to realize the consequences. So during that time also you can utilize the opportunity and reach an amicable solution. And if you are able to reach amicable, immediately you can convert your original petition as a divorce by mutual consent. Then you can get a divorce degree through mutual consent. That is also one of the best method. During this time also you can try your level best, or you can try through your lawyer, or you can also try your relatives to negotiate with each other. You can continue to talk with others, and you can continue to make an effort to make an amicable solution. So once you try again and again, at one point at a time you will get definitely a good result. So by way of negotiation, repeated attempt, repeated efforts, you can make the other party to come for an amicable settlement. Through that you can make a joint compromise or joint settlement petition, and you can immediately then you can file a original petition and convert it the same as a divorce by mutual consent. Immediately the next day the court will accept your memorandum of compromise and pass appropriate orders, and you can finish the case. So don't think about your ego. Don't think that you are great, or don't think that you are wanted to give some sort of trouble, torture, or whatever the difficulties to your opponent. There is no use in it. Once you decide to go for a divorce, think about your future, think about your problem, think about the thing which is beneficial to you. What best you can get, what best you can what best you can do, what best you can get. How can you convert your future in a fruitful manner? How can you lead a happy life? How can make your life happy for the future? Like that you think it yourself and decide and work out for the same. So the best way of closing the case is filing a petition for divorce by mutual consent, or converting your original petition as a divorce by mutual consent through way of negotiation, compromise, settlement, and that this can be achieved in various ways as said through this video. So I hope this video will be helpful to those persons who are litigating for years in the court and wasting their energy. So it is not advisable to waste your time, energy, money and everything. So once you waste everything, you cannot get back. So the best way is remove your head weight and try to resolve the dispute through an amicable, submissive manner, so that you can make another life. You can think about your future. So that will be the good way to make your life happy. That is the best way to close the divorce case in a quick manner. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you have any opinion, just share it in the comment section. If you like my video, if you accept my video, give me a like. If you have any doubt, you can also call me over phone and get my legal opinion. I am running 2 channels, one in Tamil, Raziaq, Sattam, Arivom. So if you want listen my lecture in Tamil, you can see Raziaq, Sattam, Arivom. If you want the thing in English, you can follow this my law tube, Raziaq Law Tube. I hope this is useful to you. Knowledge is power, and lawful legal knowledge will not only give power, it will also give confidence. So please watch my video and acquire your legal knowledge and have a comfortable, confident life in your life. Thank you. Goodbye.